Hi, thank you for checking out my website, payableandsilver.com. First thing I want to show you is this 1916 German medal. Basically it is, buy iron and do not buy gold. This is at the very beginning of their hyperinflation, when they basically inflated their country into crap, which eventually led Adolf Hitler to power. Buy iron, do not buy gold. If people bought gold in that area during that time, they would have been financially protected, because there were German citizens who were multi-millionaires. And what happened was, because the money kept printing and printing and printing, their money became useless. They couldn't even buy bread with it. And they were multi-millionaires. But that's what happens when you keep printing out money. Same thing happened with China. See, China, their coins, they screwed up too. Long history. Old America in 1871. That was a $1 coin. Notice how classy this is? This coin is very classy. See, it's $1. It's a $1 coin. I mean, based on the metal value, it's worth about like 25 bucks, but like under pneumatic, or like basically about coins, it's worth about 200 something bucks. That's the old Morgan dollar, silver. 1877. That's a trade dollar. Some Chinese coins. You have American money, currently, it's paper. See? I mean, it looks like a lot of money, but it's not really. I mean, everything is so expensive now. You go to a grocery store and you want to buy food, it's going to cost a lot. So what are you going to do? I mean, you have your money, you got to survive, right? I think the smart thing is to use the money to do things to better your life. Because if they keep printing, it's not going to be worth anything. I mean, it looks like a lot, but it's not really that much, because a lot of it's small bills, like 20s and 10s, a couple hundred. I think it's like 1,300 or something in this pile, but I don't really know. But what I really like when it comes to money is I like precious metals. I feel very confident in my purchase of metals. Like right here, this is gold. 1 ounce of gold. That's worth like $1,700. Now, these are good coins. These are 90% silver. It's called coin silver. And right here is a Canadian silver. This is 80% silver. I like proof coins. Proof coins are basically, that means they were double struck at the mint. And they're 90% silver for the American coins. And it's basically buying power. Because if things get too expensive, the price of silver, should actually go up. Or at least you'll be able to buy you gas if you need it for your vehicle, food, enough money to pay your bills. Because you can walk into any kind of pawn shop and you can turn this in for paper. I always feel more confident when I have money. And I'm not talking about paper money, I'm talking about like silver. When I have a lot of silver, I feel very secure. I feel less fearful. When I don't have silver, I kind of go cuckoo a little bit. So I don't feel right. And I know there's something called ETFs. And what they are is basically electronic silver. It's like a stock fund. And yes, the price goes up. But the fact of the matter is, when they're selling paper silver, what you want physical silver. Physical silver here is money that's going to help your life. Paper silver you got to wait for. And you don't know how much it's going to be worth. Because they keep devaluing the money. It's not going to be worth anything. So how are you going to protect your wealth? You should be able to protect your wealth. I mean, banks aren't even giving you interest anymore. You could have $10,000 in the bank. You know how much money you would get in interest with $10,000 in a savings account in 1 month? $1.30. $1.30. They charge more for ATM fees. That's totally unfair. It's not right. Thank you for checking out my video. I'd like to have your opinion. Subscribe to my channel. Real money is honest money. Silver's real money.